forgot anything. Should be fine. Okay, my things are packed and I'm ready for adventure. Oops. A message. My friend just messaged me that there's a storm coming. Oh, but it's fine, because he will be giving me tips on how to survive this storm. But it says here that he will be giving me tips on how to survive this once the typhoon arrives. Huh? What? Wait. Once the typhoon arrives, what? Did he just message me a subordinate clause? It's incomplete. This is just a group of words that cannot stand on their own. Once the typhoon arrives, what? Oh, wait, here's another message. Stay indoors. Stay indoors. Okay. This is an independent clause. It is a group of words that can stand on their own. It makes sense. I see. I have to connect the subordinate clause to this independent clause. Once the typhoon arrives, stay indoors. There. Once the typhoon arrives, stay indoors. Or stay indoors once the typhoon arrives. Whew. The subordinate clause and independent clause are connected by a subordinating conjunction, which is once. Oh, there's the message. It says that when the storm comes, I should just stay here. I think the storm is coming soon, so I'll stay here. Another message? If you are in a low area... If you are in a low area, what? The storm is coming, and it's very dangerous, and he keeps texting me with another subordinate clause. I am in a low area, so what do I need to do? If you are in a low area, it cannot stand on its own. Why does he have to send me a subordinate clause? Okay, calm down. This may be incomplete, but he might message an independent clause. Let's wait. Yes, I knew it! Go to a higher ground. Okay, there you go. It's an independent clause. Go to a higher ground. All I have to do is connect the subordinate clause to an independent clause. The subordinating conjunction, which is if, will connect them. If you are in a low area, go to higher ground. Or, go to higher ground if you are in a low area. Oh, there's the message. Okay, it says that before the storm comes, if you're in a low area, you must go to a higher ground. What? Oh no, I have to get out of here. The storm is coming soon. I have to find higher ground. Why didn't he text me earlier? Is everything here? Did I leave anything? Bye.